Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool, amazing part right here. You guys can see basically what this is a tower fan. It's used to cool down when it's like hot where you guys are living. It's kind of loud right now because there's construction going on, so please deal with me. I have to work with what I have. So first thing first is actually open up the product to show you what it actually looks like and what comes out of the package first. So when you guys first open the package itself, this is what it looks like inside right here. So they provide you guys a little warranty card. They provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then here you can see the actual product itself right here. So let's take it out. So here's one component of the actual fan itself. This is the bottom layer where it actually will hold the fan itself. And then here's the other side. So when we take out the fan, this is basically what it looks like, well protecting everything. So let me actually take all these safety parts out first. So when we take it all out, this is basically what it looks like. But let me remove this wrap part. Alright, so let me remove it from the actual bag right here. This is basically what it looks like. If you guys can see, this is actually the touch control right here. And then right here is the remote, if you guys can see on the side. So basically the bottom part is where to actually set up the stand itself that I just showed you guys. And then you guys can use the fan on the top part here to control it, or the remote. And then here's the display screen that will actually display which mode is on, if it's high, low, or like a different mode. So let's actually go set this all up first and show you guys what it actually looks like. So basically how you guys want to set it up is by unscrewing this part right here, if you guys can see. Unscrew both of them out, so you can take out the screw first. Once you guys do that, you guys can actually put this part on and just screw it back on. Make sure it's tight. Once you guys are done with this part, you have to put the other side as well. So you guys want to unscrew the other side as well and then put it on. Alright, and then screw it back on. Make sure all of them are tight before you guys use it and put it back on the ground. Alright, so it looks like it's all good. And then on the cable right here, you guys want to actually put it onto this part right here. So you can see they have a little slot right here that you actually put it through. That way it's like hanging out like that. Alright, so just like that, you guys can see. And now you guys can flip it back around to the other side and you guys can start using it. Let me actually go plug it in and then show you guys how it works. Alright. You guys can see that turns on right here. So you guys can see there's a power button right here. I believe there's a different scene mode. This is the different speed mode right here. And the other ones, I think it's oscillating mode and some other modes as well as a timer. So let's try each one out and see what each one does. So we'll turn it on first. So when we first turn it on, it's just a speed level 1. So if you guys want to increase the speed, you guys want to press the button on the speed level right here. You guys can see. So there's 3 different speed level. And then if you guys want to change the different scene, you just press the button right here. This one is one scene, and here's another scene. So one of them is like a slowly gradual build up, and then there's a sleep mode. It actually turns off the screen, so it actually makes it easier for you guys to actually fall asleep, and you guys won't see like the display like light and everything. And if I press this button right here, this is the oscillating mode. So let me actually put it down so I can see it better. So just to give you guys an idea of how far it goes, this is how far it goes. You can see right here. Alright, so that's how far it goes from both sides. You guys press this button right here. That's the auto mode, so that basically means that it has the option to actually turn it off by itself if it doesn't go past a certain temperature. If it does go past that certain temperature, then it actually turns back on. But basically right now, it's under that temperature, that's why it turns off by itself. So that's the auto mode. If you guys press the button again, it turns back on. If you guys press the timer button, you guys can change like the timer to set how long you guys want to keep it on before it turns off by itself. So you can set 1 hour or 2 hours, 3 hours, any hours up to 12 hours maximum. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself and how it works. Let's try out the remote to see when that actually works as well. Alright, so this is basically what the remote looks like. The same kind of button that's actually on the fan itself. So you guys have on and off, you guys have a speed button, a style button, a auto mode, there's an oscillating mode, and a timer mode. So once we pull this tab right here, then we can start using it. Alright, so just to give you guys a better view of what it actually looks like, this is basically what it looks like. You can see right here. So we have the buttons right here on top, you guys can see. And we also have the remote right here that you can use as well. So you guys have those 2 different options. But the actual fan itself is pretty big, you guys can see. So I'm actually turn it on so you guys can get a better view. Alright, so on, speed level, maximum, auto mode, style, and then the oscillating mode. Alright, timer, maximum 12, and then you're done, just turn it back off, and that's it. And it's really cool how they have this little handlebar right here in the back, so you can actually carry it with you guys anywhere you guys want to. And this remote that they have right here is really cool as well, because they made it so that you guys can actually just put the remote right on top right here. it fits just right, you guys can see. So that's pretty cool. But basically, as you can see, all the buttons here works pretty well. The on and off switch, the speed button, the style button, the auto mode, the oscillating mode, and also the timer mode. When you guys turn on the high mode and the oscillating mode, it doesn't really like tilt too much like this. You guys can see it's pretty stable. So now that you guys saw the test of the product itself, you guys can see it actually works really well. It's super easy to use and super easy to kind of just maintain overall. Like the overall look and design of it looks amazing, but the way how they design it is pretty cool. It's how you guys can actually just put your remote right here when you guys are done using it, or if you guys don't want to use it, then you can put it here as well. The handlebar that they have right here that makes it easy access to bring it with you guys anywhere, so it's portable. But now that we did unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a affordable and portable and also a powerful fan to use on like hot days to kind of cool down, then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have no issue with one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have